Hey guys, Dolly here, and I don't know what I'm doing. I guess this is just the free type of video I do every day. I don't know. I don't understand it anymore. Well, let's go see what glitter girl's doing. I am so weird. Well, hi, mannequin. Yeah. Why? Sorry about the background. Wow. Why is everyone taking it hard? Oh. Oh my god, this girl just friended me, and I'm so mad 'cause I can't. Why? You just die. No. Why? No, just. Laughing out loud, laughing out loud. Oh, wow, this is good. Just, but, but. I mean, this is good. But what is this? Is this supposed to be the deer? A deer? A deer? I don't have much. Looks good. No, sadly, I don't. Go. I'm gonna go. Let's go see how Pastel's doing. I'm recording. Say hi. Oh god, I think that girl's recording. Oh my god. Stop buddying there, whatever. Oh, this is shooters. Oh god. I'm just gonna, I wanna trade now. Help me. Why? That looks like the Illuminati sign. Bum biddy bum biddy 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 bum biddy bum. Never share your password. Yeah, I will do from the lesson I learned. Excuse you, yeah. Yeah, that sure is the Illuminati sign, I think. AJHQ, just please change that a little bit. Just, no, just, oh god, monster hair. Wheels on the party, Well, I haven't done any shoutouts, but I don't know. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pick a random person to give a shout out to. Wow! Charlotte goes to Monster Hair, and no. Cool Day. Wherever this person is. Don't want them to know I record and I give people shout outs. Why does it look like it? Why does it look like our bodies are on fire? I will still demon. How my brother says how he copies Donald Trump. This is how he exactly says it. This is me. I will build the wall. That's how he says it. I will still the moon. How can I howl? My play is rolling in the dirt. I don't understand why. Oh, I was zoned out just thinking about my past. You want to wear a ring of a clover? Bum, bum, bitty, bum. No, I don't want pink. Yeah, I have a girly girl look on this, and you cannot judge me. No, I'm definitely gonna play some Roblox. Bum, bitty, bum, bitty, bitty, bitty. Bum, bitty, bum, bitty, bitty, bitty. Oh, 6 charge. Yeah. Don't care. I want to play the. If I rage quit on this, and Soul City, Soul City, Soul City. I'm turning to the me that I sang everything. Also, again, sorry for the background if I haven't said it. Excuse me. I don't understand what this is. I am a girl. Why am I wearing a suit? I mean, yeah, girls can wear suits, but I just feel off on this. Wait, am I the only girl in here? Okay, I'm not. No! How did I die again? I don't under. Aww. Ah, why is spy training so hard? I played this earlier. I got to like a high level, but not too high. Like it was level part stage 4 or 5. Yeah. I rage quit. Okay, I rage quit. I rage quit. This is what happens when you try to go through. Hopefully you don't die. Warning. Can I go? Nice. No, I didn't. I died multiple times. How can I come back to life? Is this reincarnation? Reincarnation! So I can't just jump it. Yeah, that's the part I could. Yeah, I was. Did I do it? I did it on my first time. Use this elevator to get on top of the tower. We need to get. Then we need to get the grapple. I don't care. Oh, I have to go in here. But first, do I have a checkpoint? Nope. Don't even go to. That's spooky, scary skeletons. Shiver down your spine. I don't understand. I know I can talk, but I don't feel like the. Robot right now. No, no, no! Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you me and my younger cousin's videos. Well, if you don't believe me, you can go. What? Well, you can go to my videos and see my face. Yeah, you can believe me or not believe me, but that was my younger cousin. And I'd always get mad at her. Whoa. What? Then why is there a door? Whee! I didn't mean. Oh, so. Ew, this is food. Are we in a stomach? Inside this giant robot. Let's find the computer chip and destroy it. Oh, it's really disgusting in here. Why? No! Rip headphone users. Rip headphone users. And so I tried to fall on the yellow one. Not you disgusting burger. Bugger thing. This is an apple. This is a carrot? I thought that was a chicken wing. Chocolate bar. Yup. Um, um, now